Hello, everyone. In this video, I want to recommend a very useful Unity asset called Outline Tool. This tool allows you to easily add outline effects to your 3D models. With just a few clicks, you can customize the outline thickness, color, and brightness, making your characters or objects stand out clearly in the scene. One of the best things about this asset is that it's extremely easy to use, even for beginners. At the same time, it offers multiple adjustable parameters, so it's also flexible enough for more advanced projects. Outline Tool supports all major Unity rendering pipelines, including built-in, URP, and HDRP, and it works smoothly on Windows, Android, and iOS platforms. Whether you're working on a game, a prototype, or a visual demo, this asset can help you achieve clean and professional-looking outline effects very quickly. I've already put the purchase link in the video description and also in the pinned comment, so feel free to check it out if you're interested. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tool helps you in your Unity projects.